Welcome to my honest review of Southern Savers. This site is known for offering cashback on a variety of online purchases, making it a go-to for shoppers looking to save on their everyday buys. When you first visit Southern Savers, you're greeted with an easy-to-navigate homepage that highlights the best deals of the day. They have a straightforward layout, with categories for different types of savings, such as groceries, apparel, and electronics. The process of earning cashback is relatively simple. You start by signing up, then browse through a wide range of partnered retailers. Each retailer has a specific cashback rate, and when you make a purchase through the site, the cashback is credited to your account. What I really like is how transparent the site is about the rates. There's no guesswork. You can clearly see how much you earn before you even click on a retailer link. However, the cashback rates can vary depending on the retailer, and sometimes they are a bit lower than I expected, especially for popular stores. One downside I noticed is that the website could improve its search function. While browsing for deals, it can sometimes be a bit tricky to narrow down your exact search, especially if you're looking for a specific item. There are filters available, but they aren't as refined as I'd like, which could make the shopping experience feel slightly cumbersome at times. Another feature worth mentioning is their email alerts. Southern Savers sends regular updates about new offers and special promotions, which is a nice touch if you're someone who likes to stay updated on the latest deals. That said, the volume of emails can become overwhelming if you're not interested in receiving daily offers. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cashback on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Overall, Southern Savers is a solid option for anyone looking to save on their online shopping. The cashback offers are decent, and the website is easy to use once you get the hang of it. If you're willing to sift through the deals and plan your purchases strategically, you can definitely get good savings. However, be aware that it doesn't always have the highest cashback rates compared to some other sites, so it's a good idea to compare offers before making a purchase. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found this review helpful. Your support means a lot and helps me create more useful content like this. Thanks for watching.